might be too strung out on compliments, overdosed on confidence, started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence, drinking every night because we drink to my accomplishments, faded way too long.
What's going on? It is St. Patrick's Day of the Jeep restoration. Picked it up not too long ago. Haven't done much to it. Simple rust in the floor panels, same old dash, stock wheels with low tread, scratches, and some pretty bad interior. Bad steering column, have to get that replaced. Simple rust on the hood. Use a new paint job on fender flares. And the old Jeep rims. So yeah, St. Patrick's Day, part 1 of the 1991 Jeep Wrangler Sahara rebuild.